How you going, guys? Took the Ford for a spin. I know. When was it? 3 weeks ago, 2 weeks ago. Stopped at a set of traffic lights. Went through the gears. Got a Bob Green auto transmission in C4, 4.2 Storley, trans brake, all the good shit. Went through the gears first, second, gave a little bit in second, but not much. And heard a little bit of a pop, man. I thought I ran over something, but don't know what it was. So yeah, and had an oil trail up the driveway and all the way into here, so not good. Gearbox fluid on the ground, not good, but see what happens, mate, eh? Got to get under there and start her up, see where she's leaking. If she's leaking out the front cover, probably blown a fucking front seal or a pump or something. So yeah, let's have a look, eh?